Hey everybody, today we're in a Lexus UX250. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855881. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, the mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as the blue covering under here and in here. Now you'll want to peel that blue covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two seams. The first is right behind this piece of trim here. So you got the outer silver piece and the inner black piece. The inner black piece has a seam right on the back side here, right inside where the vent starts. That's going to be our first seam. The second is under here. This black piece of plastic wraps down under, and right by the glove compartment button is the second seam that we're going to clip into. So you're going to take your mount and you're going to take this upper lip and you're just going to hook it behind that black piece we showed earlier. Just hook it in there. And then basically you're going to rotate the mount down and you're going to want to pull slightly on this bottom lip so you don't scrape the plastic underneath here. And then push it until it snaps into place. And now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.